Altogether, 613 Manipuri returnees from Gujarat's Baroda arrived at Ziribam today. The special Shramik train also brought returnees from other northeast states. With over 5,000 new infections being reported in the past 24 hours, India registered its biggest one-day spike, taking the number of confirmed cases to 96,169. The death toll also saw a jump from 2,872 to 3,029, a media report said. Currently, India has 36,824 recoveries and 56,316 are active cases. Globally, 4.7 million people have been infected, while over 3.15 lakh casualties have been reported. The fourth phase of the nationwide lockdown begins today. The centre issued a notification in this regard on Sunday, extending the curbs for 2 more weeks till 31st May. But as Prime Minister Narendra Modi had said in his address to the nation, Lockdown 4 is going to be different from the previous 3 phases. The Home Ministry accordingly issued guidelines for the 4th phase of the nationwide lockdown, giving power to the states and union territories to delineate red, green and orange zones as per COVID-19 situation and taking into consideration the parameters shared by the Union Health Ministry. The number of COVID-19 cases have reached 102 in Assam today. 41 patients have been discharged or cured and 2 have died of the disease and 57 are active cases in the state. Biswanath Chariali, Jorhat and Sivsagar districts of Assam recently witnessed a spike in COVID-19 cases. Following the report of 5 fresh positive COVID-19 cases in the state, police in Imphal West and Imphal East, the twin capital districts, have intensified crackdown against people defying government laid down COVID-19 protocols in public places. As per directives of the Manipur Home Department, cops are conducting massive drives in Imphal East and Imphal West. Nungba Area Village Authority Association, NAVA, has appealed to the state government and district administration to provide vehicles to carry back returnees from district headquarters to respective community quarantine centres. It also demanded safety medical gears for volunteers and helpers. Sikkim Chief Minister P.S. Tamang expressed his deep sorrow on the sad demise of a West Sikkim resident, Chandra Subha, on her way back home from Vadodara in Gujarat. As per reports, she was working in Vadodara and was returning home with other stranded Sikkimis from Gujarat in a train. A total of 62 countries, including India, has backed a joint effort by Australia and European Union calling for an independent inquiry into the World Health Organization's response to the COVID-19 pandemic, according to a draft resolution proposed by the 73rd World Health Assembly (WHA) meeting beginning today. As per a media report, the draft calls for the impartial, independent and comprehensive probe into the coronavirus crisis, besides an inquiry into the actions of the World Health Organization (WHO) and their timelines pertaining to the COVID-19 pandemic. The Home Ministry has warned that the cyclonic storm Amphan is likely to intensify into a super cyclone by this evening and hit the West Bengal and Bangladesh coasts as a very severe cyclone on Wednesday. The Indian Meteorological Department (IMD) today said Amphan over central parts of South Bay of Bengal had intensified into an extremely severe cyclonic storm.